Happy morning, children. How are you all? I think you all fine in your home. Today we will see chapter 5, the Southern Plateaus, part 2. In this lesson, we will learn about the Deccan Plateaus. Children, the Deccan Plateau is in Peninsular Plateau. East side of Peninsular Plateau, you can see some mountains called Eastern Ghats. Likewise, here in the west side also there are some mountains are called Western Ghats. Why we called Eastern Ghats? Yes, east side of Peninsular Plateau you can see some mountains, so it's called Eastern Ghats. Likewise, here in the west side also there are some mountains are called Western Ghats. So students, the Deccan Plateau is located between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Now you have clear idea how why it's located between the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Why ma? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The Deccan Plateau is located between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So, in Peninsular Plateau, you can see rivers such as Narmada, Kaveri, Krishna, etc. These rivers are not perennial. Already I told you what is meant by perennial ma? Yes. Not perennial means they depend on rain and will dry up in the summer. That means rivers in the peninsular plateau depend on rain and dry up in the summer. The another feature is rivers in peninsular plateau form waterfalls. Children, have you seen a waterfalls? Here you can see so many dams also. Important cities such as Bangalore, Pune and Coimbatore are located here. Children, which is the largest plateau in India? Yes, correct. Very good, Babu. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. Where is it located, ma? Correct. Between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, it's located. So, Kutis, the Deccan Plateau is part of the plateau region lies to the south of Narmada Valley and across the subproduct ranges. One more time. The Deccan Plateau is part of the plateau region lies to the south of the Narmada Valley and across the subproduct ranges. The plateau slopes from west to east, most of its rivers to rise in the west and slope eastward into the Bay of Bengal, such as Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and the Kaveri River. So, students, most of the land in the Deccan Plateau slopes from west to east. After that, Babu, the Tapi is the only river in the Deccan Plateau that flows from the east to west in the Arabian Sea. One more time, Kutis, we will discuss about the plateau slopes from west to east, most of its rivers to rise in the west and slope eastward into the Bay of Bengal, such as the Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and the Kaveri. Okay. Next, the Tapi is the only river in the Deccan Plateau that flows from the east to west. Which side ma it flows the Tapi river? Yes, you are correct. East to west into the Arabian Sea. Students, moreover, these rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau are not fed by glaciers. We discuss about the word glaciers. Okay, ma. The Deccan Plateau are not fed by glaciers, but they are fed by rain. What does it mean, Kanna? Yes. During the summer months, if rainfall is not plenty, these rivers might even dry up. So, such rivers are called seasonal rivers. Now, may I arise one question to you, ma? Which rivers are called seasonal rivers? Can you say anyone? Yes, you say after me also. Okay, ma'am. The Deccan Plateau are not fed by glaciers. They are fed by rain. That means during the summer months, if rainfall is not plenty, these rivers might even dry up. So that such rivers are called seasonal rivers. Now you understood clearly the word seasonal rivers. Okay. The next one is like the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau is fine and rich in black soil and best growing for cotton, sugarcane. One more time, we will revise this point. Like the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau is what ma? Like the Central Highlands, the Deccan Plateau is rich and fine in black soil and best growing for cotton and sugarcane. After that, students, dams have been built on many of these rivers. That is, these dams store water flowing in these rivers. So, these dams are used for irrigation and producing electricity. Where it is used, Babu? Yes. Use it for irrigation and producing electricity. For examples, include Hirakud Dam on the Mahanadi and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna. The Hirakud Dam, where it is located, ma? Yes, Mahanadi. Hirakud Dam on the Mahanadi and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, where it is located? Yes, Krishna. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna. Okay, one more time. Dams have been built on many of these rivers. So, these dams store water flowing in these rivers and these dams use it for irrigation and producing electricity. For example, Hirakud Dam on the Mahanadi and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna. May I arise one question to you. These dams store water where it is used. Can you say anyone? Just you think it and say. Okay, I think you are correct. Very good. Dams stored water is used for irrigation and producing electricity. Hirakud Dam is located on the Mahanadi and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna. How many dams are there, Babu? Yes, you are correct. First one is Hirakud Dam on the Mahanadi and the second one is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna. Very good, ma. This Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, a big multi-purpose dam, has been built across the river Krishna. Children, moreover, the sediments deposited by the rivers in the Deccan Plateau build up deltas. The delta region being very fertile, a lot of rice is cultivated here. Once again, children, the delta region being very fertile, a lot of rice is cultivated here. This region is thus known as the rice bowl of India. Groundnuts, sugarcane, wheat, and millets are also grown in this region. Why it's called rice bowl of India? Yes, correct. This region is thus known as the rice bowl of India. Why? Because groundnuts, sugarcane, wheat, and millets are also grown in this region. So that we called rice bowl of India. Kutis, one more time we will discuss about the dams. Okay. The dams in the Deccan Plateau are a very important source of water. What ma? The dams in the Deccan Plateau are a very important source of water, especially since its rivers are seasonal and do not have water all around the year. Once again, I will repeat to you. Especially since its rivers are seasonal and do not have water all around the year. They also provide electricity and irrigation to the fields in the region. So that children, the Deccan Plateau is a very most important region of the country. After that, Babu, it is a storehouse of minerals and is very rich in coal, gold, iron ore, mica, and manganese. One more time, it's a storehouse of minerals. What ma? It's a storehouse of minerals and is very rich in coal, gold, iron ore, mica, and manganese. Children, there are many waterfalls in the Deccan Plateau region. Children, the Jug Falls is the highest waterfall in India. Which is the highest waterfall in India, ma? Yes. The Jack Fall is the highest waterfall in India and is located on the river Saravati in Karnataka. So, what is the highest waterfall in India? Can you say anyone? Yes. The Jack Falls is the highest waterfall in India. And where it is located, ma? You think and say? Yes, you are correct. The Jack Falls is located on the river Saravati in Karnataka. The waterfalls are a major tourist attraction, isn't it? No? Children, can you say anyone? Important cities of the Deccan Plateau, what are they? Yes, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad. After that, children, Deccan Plateau's occupation of the people. First one is agriculture is the main occupation of the people in the Deccan Plateau region. What ma? Once again. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in the Deccan Plateau region. Though there are industries and mines in this region too. That means there are industries and mines in this region too, that is the Deccan Plateau region. Okay. Rice, jowar, ragi, maize, cotton, sugarcane, groundnut are grown here. Okay, students. Thus we have studied about the Deccan Plateaus of India. I think now you understood clearly the Deccan Plateaus. Students, now we will discuss about life in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateaus includes so many states. What are they? Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and finally Maharastra. Babu, what are the states' name? Such as Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and finally Maharashtra. Let me see one by one. First one is Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Babu? Bhopal. Yes. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Some other important cities in Madhya Pradesh such as Gwalior, Indore and Jabalpur. What are the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Correct. What are the other important cities in Madhya Pradesh? Gwalior, Indore and Jabalpur. Very good students. In Madhya Pradesh, tourist attraction places Khajuraho temples and Sanji Stupa. What ma? In Madhya Pradesh, important tourist attraction place name is Khajuraho temples and Sanji Stupa. Very good. And also here two important parks. What are they? The Kanha National Park and Bandhavgarh National Park. Two important parks are there. One is Kanha National Park and Bandhavgarh National Park. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines. Where it is located? Diamond mines? Yes. Panna in Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines. Narmada, Chambal and Tappi have their origin in this state. The Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in India and is often referred to as the heart of India due to its location in the central part of India. So children, where it is originate in this state? Can you say anyone? Yes, Narmada, Chambal and Tapi. Which state is the second largest state in India? Yes, Madhya Pradesh. So that it is the heart of India. Why we called heart of India, ma? Yes, central part of India. So that we called heart of India is Madhya Pradesh. Next state name is Chhattisgarh. These states divide from Madhya Pradesh. Students, what is the capital of Chhattisgarh? Yes, Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. This state is drained by the river Mahanadi. Mahanadi basin is very fertile. What is meant by basin? Yes, a huge low-lying area is called basin. Mahanadi basin is very fertile. Such crops are there grown here. What are they? Rice, oilseed, pulses, maize and millets are grown here. This state is rich in minerals such as coal, iron and manganese. And one more important point in this states. That means largest steel plants in India. Where it is located? In Chhattisgarh. What's the name? Bhilai in Chhattisgarh is home to one of the largest steel plants in India. The next state name is Jharkhand. Jharkhand starts from the state of Bihar. What is the capital of Jharkhand? Yes, Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Here, rich in minerals such as iron, copper, aluminium, and coal. Rich in minerals such as iron, copper, aluminium, and coal. After that, students, two major steel plants are located in Jamshedpur and Bokaro. One more time, two major steel plants are located in Jamshedpur and Bokaro. Now, we will discuss about the state name is Odisha. What is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Very good. What is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. And Bhubaneswar, other important cities, Cuttack and Puri. What are the other important cities in Odisha? As Cuttack and Puri. The Rath Yatra of Puri is famous all over India. Rath Yatra is located at Puri. Good. In Odisha, rice and jute are the main crops. The textile industry flourishes in Odisha. In Odisha, ikat is a famous type of work done in cotton cloth. What is the famous type of cotton cloth, ma? Ikat. Ikat is a famous type of work done on cotton cloth. Here, official language is Odia. What is the official language? One more time. Odia is the official language of Odisha. Odissi, one of the 8 classical dance forms of India. So, cuties, one more time we will discuss about Odisha. What is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Other important cities of Odisha? Cuttack and Puri. The Rath Yatra of Puri is famous all over India. Here, rice and jute are the main crops, and also the textile industry flourishes in Odisha. Ikat is a famous type of work done on cotton clothes, like embroidery works on our dress nama. Just like that, ikat is a famous type of work done on cotton cloth. The fifth state name is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is a port city of Andhra Pradesh. Agriculture is a major income for most people in Andhra Pradesh. Major crops of Andhra Pradesh is rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, and groundnut. What are the major crops of Andhra Pradesh? Rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, and groundnut. In Andhra Pradesh, Telugu and Urdu are popular languages. Which languages here very famous, ma? Telugu and Urdu are popular languages in Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is an eminent classical dance form in Andhra Pradesh. Eminent means famous. So, Kuchipudi dance is a eminent classical dance form in Andhra Pradesh. Bitri work is the famous handicraft of the state. What is Bitri work, Babu? Yes. Bitri work on bronze and copper. What ma? Bitri work on bronze and copper is famous handicraft of the state. Andhra Pradesh place of tourist includes Undavalli Caves, Tirumala Hills and the Balaji Temple at Tirupati. Where it is located, the Balaji temple? Yes, Tirupati. Place of tourists include Undavalli Caves, Tirumala Hills and the Balaji temple at Tirupati, which is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. The next state name is Telangana. What is the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad. Yes, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Other important cities of Telangana is Warangal and Nizamabad. What ma? Other important cities of Telangana is Warangal and Nizamabad. Here, official language is Telugu. Telangana official language is Telugu. Major occupation of Telangana, agriculture. Here, major crops grown here, rice, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco. Water for irrigation is provided by the rivers. One more time. Water for irrigation is provided by the rivers Godavari and Krishna. What are the river name is? Godavari and Krishna. So, water for irrigation is provided by the rivers Godavari and Krishna. Hyderabad is a hub of major software industries. One more time. Hyderabad is the hub of major software industry. Major tourist attractions in Telangana is Mahbub Nahar and Khammam. Major tourist attraction place in Telangana is Mahbub Nahar and Khammam, are also known as the coal town of South India, and Pelham Caves in Kurnool. The next state name is Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Can you say anyone? Yes, you are correct. Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Children, you know one thing? Tamil Nadu is the famous for its temple. The town name is Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur and Kanjipuram. One more time. Tamil Nadu is famous for its temple. The town namely Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Thanjavur and Kanjipuram. In Tamil Nadu, the official language is, can you say anyone? Yes, you are correct. Tamil. The official language is Tamil. Tamil language is one of the oldest languages in our country. Tamil Nadu state is famous for its Kanjivaram sarees. Agriculture is the main occupation of Tamil Nadu, such as rice, sugarcane, groundnut and cotton are the major crops grown here. Children, coffee and tea are also grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. After that, one more important and very interesting festival in Tamil Nadu, Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of the state, that is in Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Kutis, famous food items of Tamil Nadu. Can you say anyone? Yes, I think you are correct. Absolutely correct, Babu. Famous food items of Tamil Nadu such as idli, dosa, upma, sambar. Next, we will discuss about the state name is Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. What is the Karnataka capital city? Can you say anyone? As Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Karnataka is a major center of IT industry. Karnataka is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India. Other important cities of Karnataka name is Hubli, Mysore and Mangalore. The Krishna, Kaveri and the Tungabhadra rivers drain the state with their waters. After that, Karnataka is home to many large waterfalls. What are they? Jack Falls and Kunjikal Falls. Karnataka's spoken language is Kannada. Which language is spoken, ma? Kannada is the main language spoken. Karnataka is famous for its sandalwood trees and spices are also grown here. What are they famous of the Karnataka? Sandalwood trees and spices are also grown here. In Karnataka, Carnatic music is popular throughout the country. After that, gold is mined at the Hatti and Kolar gold mines are located in Karnataka. At last, we will discuss about the state name is Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and also commercial capital of India is Mumbai. One more time. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and also commercial capital of India is Mumbai. This state is rich black soil and best for growing cotton and sugarcane. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. Maharashtra state also produces fruits such as grapes, oranges and bananas. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous and also important cities of Maharashtra, Pune, Nashik, Nagpur and Aurangabad. In Maharashtra, spoken languages are Marathi and Konkani. In Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi festival celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm. Maharashtrian women wear a special 9-meter sari which they tie in a unique way. Men wear dhoti, kurta and Gandhi topi. In Maharashtra, tamasa a kind of dance and it is popular for drama is popular in Maharashtra. Name is Lavani and folk dance form is also famous in Maharashtra. Students, now you understood clearly about the life in the southern plateau. Okay? My favorite cuties, all of you take your textbook, read the lesson line by line. Read the lesson is it will give confidence to you so that don't miss it, Babu. Read the lesson line by line. Thank you. Bye bye, students.